Hi, I'm David Katzmeyer from CNET. I'm sitting next to the Samsung PN50C7000 series. This is Samsung's second most expensive plasma TV for 2010. A couple of high points on this TV: it's 3D compatible. We'll get to that in a little bit. It's also vanishingly thin. If you look at this TV on the side, it's about 1.2 inches deep. You might mistake it for an LCD TV, but it's actually plasma. The TV is pretty slick otherwise. Around the edge, you'll find a matte sort of metallic finish. Around that, there's a transparent edge. There's also a transparent stand stock, and this nice stainless steel sort of top of the stand finishes off the picture. It's a very slick looking TV. Feature-wise, this TV has all the bells and whistles. There's 3D, as we mentioned. This TV doesn't include the required 3D glasses, however. They're about $150 a piece. Of course, you can't use Samsung glasses with another TV and vice versa, but you're going to need a pair of glasses for everyone in the family that wants to view 3D. Samsung also includes a 2D to 3D conversion system on this TV, so you can watch everything in 3D, although that really doesn't work as well as we'd like to see. It kind of made us a little bit sick when we tried it out. We'll get to 3D performance in a little bit, but first let's take a look at some other features. This TV has an extensive apps selection, which means that you can go into the menu and access a lot of internet services. The coolest are the streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Video On Demand, Vudu. This TV is also the only one on the market right now to include Hulu Plus. Samsung Apps has an exclusive now until November. Then we think another couple TV makers are going to include Hulu Plus as well, but for now it's an exclusive that allows you to get some Hulu content on this TV as well. So all in all, the apps are very compelling on this set. Other features include a wealth of picture adjustments. You can play around with gamma. There's a 10-point IRE system, new for 2010, and a couple of other picture tweaks, so calibrators will have a lot to do to adjust the picture quality on this set. Around back, you'll find a strange-looking input bay. That's because the TV is so thin. There's actually 4 HDMI inputs on the back. Just one component video input, though. There's also a PC input, a LAN port, and a few other inputs, so all told, pretty good connectivity on this set. There's also 2 USB ports, which is nice if you want to use the optional Wi-Fi adapter for all that internet stuff. Of course, the Wi-Fi adapter is another $100. When we took the Samsung into the lab, we were generally very impressed by its picture quality. It has a nice deep black level. The color accuracy is pretty darn good. Of course, those tweaks really help for that. It doesn't have 1080p 24 compatibility, however, so video files might miss that 24 frame cadence native to film, but most people won't really notice the difference. For 3D, we actually like the 3D effect on this TV a lot better than we did on some of the LCD TVs we've tried out earlier. There's less crosstalk, which is interference that kind of looks like a ghostly outline. Of course, 3D content does vary. Sometimes it can be a little hard to watch, but we expect the content to improve in the future. And again, it's pretty scarce right now. You're going to need a 3D Blu-ray player and, of course, the 3D TV receiver from DirecTV. They're kind of the only guys that do it right now. There's a couple others out there. But in general, 3D on this TV does look pretty darn good. That's a quick look at the Samsung PN50C7000 series, and I'm David Katzmeyer.